Yeriko Roman, a 9-year-old Canadian boy, was living with autism and struggled with extreme oral aversion. The only food he has been able to accept has been maple cinnamon waffles, sold by a family-owned producer of certified organic foods, Nature's Path Foods. Unfortunately, however, that particular brand of waffles was suddenly discontinued. So Yeriko's mom, Jenna, took to social media, asking for help in finding more waffles. After hearing about Yeriko's story, Nature's Path searched North America for any remaining supply. And they were able to track down their last 8 cases at their freezer warehouse in Illinois and had them shipped up to Vancouver. They then personally delivered them to Yeriko's mom. But it got them thinking, what would happen when Yeriko ran out of waffles? These were the last waffles ever produced. So their incredible research and development team set about recreating the recipe, so Jenna could make the waffles for Yeriko at home. Over several weeks, they repeatedly tested and tweaked the recipe, and finally they developed a home recipe that tastes just like their commercial cinnamon maple waffles and offered it to Yeriko's mom. It is often said that the purpose of a company is to pursue profits. But this is half the truth. Companies must fulfill their responsibilities to the consumers who buy their goods and services and stakeholders, as well as to the society in which they belong. Leaders should never forget this.